was fresh air. You know? When I'm going and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Oh. Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't. Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people? You know?
Nightlife way.
Granddad got a very, very special classic car coming to the channel. Just finding this information out last night. He actually put a deposit down on a new classic to add to his fleet. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys a vlog on it. I don't know when. I was supposed to get over there today, but with all of the errands I had going on, with you know, running around with the wife, you know, I had a lot going on. Plus with the rain, you know, if you remember from the last vlog I put out, I discussed future plans with a few things I had coming to the channel. Now, I want you guys to be on the lookout for this vlog because I'm very, very excited for him. And I feel like this is going to be something very, 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 very special for the channel. So, I'm going to catch up with y'all in the next. I've never been up that street right there. Try to go up that. King Nightlife. Doing everything the Nightlife way. King Nightlife back with another Nightlife vlog. I hope everybody is okay. I hope everybody is safe and okay through these troubling times. You know, I'm doing very, very well. Feeling very, very well as well. I just wanted to bring y'all this quick vlog, you know. I had to get my shit straight, as them OGs would say, you know. I just wanted to bring y'all this quick vlog before I did that, you know, well, after I did that. But yeah, so I just wanted to inform you guys that the packages have arrived. You know, you see I'm inside of Jade right now, you know, taking her out for a spin, bringing my wife to the grocery store, doing some things, running some errands, you know. I have to put some new wiper blades on her. That looks funky. Funky, sounds funky too. But anyway, anyhow, packages has arrived, you know. I walked into it, you know. So we got rear main seal probably there, and another package here, which is probably for the Buick, the other Buick, the 1970 Buick Electra with the rear main seal leak on that vehicle and on this vehicle. So we got both of the seals, and I'm ready to party now. I'm ready to get those things on. You know, I'm trying to keep this big baby from fishtailing every time I take a left or a right. You know, she want to have fun out here, but you know, right now ain't the time. So yeah, I just wanted to bring y'all that vlog right quick, bring you this vlog right quick, letting you know that the packages have arrived. So we can get dirty now and start getting these things installed. You know, so I think I am gonna give you guys a couple of donuts. So I think I am gonna give you guys a few burnouts. You know what? Let me stop being cute. I'm gonna give you guys a few burnouts right here in the middle of the Stop and Shop parking lot, right here, right now. Nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, I'm serious, but I'm just kidding right now. But yeah, you know, I'm gonna get nasty. I don't want to be acting nasty. The rain's starting to pick up. But yeah. As we continue moving forward to bring you guys a little update on how everything is looking, you know. So I'm up in Jade right now. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out, A little walk around. Check out these LEDs, make sure everything is good. You know? Wife gonna kill me. My neighbors, I know my neighbors hate hearing this motor. I know they hate hearing this motor at night, you know? They hate hearing my baby growling. But it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. It's kind of one of those things. It is what it is, you know? We gotta do what we gotta do. So everything looking good on them LEDs to me, I should say. Everything looking good to me. So yeah, you know, I just wanted to bring y'all this quick little vlog, you know? I'll go ahead and take off. You know, being a nightlife rider, this is what I do. You know, this is a lifestyle. You know? So yeah, y'all stay tuned. You know, I got a lot coming with these vlogs. Gonna go ahead and get into some painting of these cars. You know, as soon as this weather clear up, you know, I can really start going in, you know. So this week I'm looking forward to handling some things and getting some things done on my end. So yeah, like I said, I just wanted to bring y'all this quick little vlog, catch up with y'all. That's all, you know, nothing spectacular. Little update on these LEDs.
Nightlife way.